Cool. Whissel Widget of the Week. So here on the show, we like to wrap things up with our Whissel Widget of the Week, which is a widget, a gadget, or a program that we use in our day-to-day that makes our life easier and hopefully will make your life easier as too. So since you made me go first last time, Coachy, how about you go?
Yeah, we don't get paid for these, which I feel like we should be saying on every one. Mm-hmm. But I would also like to change that because it'd be cool if we got paid for these. But
that'd be really cool. If you're watching this randomly and have an item you'd like to check out, hit us up.
Yeah, but we gotta really like it. If we don't like it, we won't. I'm not gonna throw it on blast.
Right.
We won't do it.
Yeah.
So my widget is called Text Expander. This was shown to me by a good agent here at the office. His name is Kevin Waters. Shout out. But what Text Expander does is it's a program for your computer or your phone, and you can basically save snippets that you can get to with a short code and use common phrases that you text over and over and over and over again. Basically make shortcuts. I know iPhone already does have this in the keyboard. They're called keyboard.
I think they're called keyboard shortcuts or
something like that. They have that, but the really cool thing about this is it works across devices. So from my computer to my phone and vice versa. And also the other really cool thing is you can have fields that you can insert. So for example, instead of copying and pasting and say, hey, name in all capitals that you're supposed to change out, I can have it say, I need to enter in a name here. So when I enter that, it'll pop up a little option so I can fill out their name. So now you're not going to be sending an email to Tom that says, hey, name, or hey, Tom, blah, 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 blah. At the end, thanks so much, Susan, because I copied and pasted it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Cool. So Text Expander, I think it's like $3 or $4 a month. I'm on the free trial. It's great. I'm going to pay for it. I do not get paid for this, but I would like a free version of it.
I like it.
But they're not going to give it. But check it out. It's really cool. You'll like it.
So my item makes dark things not dark anymore.
Ooh. I feel like you did it right this time. I did it wrong. I feel like we should have to guess
what it is.
Yeah.
But we show each other, so it doesn't really...
That's true.
Beforehand. But it also fits in your pocket. Great for video, especially if you're looking to do green screen, like lower green screen, not something big like this, or even if you're just doing bomb videos or web videos.
Let's see, what could it be? Makes dark things
light. Good for video. But it's this little pocket light. It's an F7 Pocket Light by, they don't have the name of their company. I'll put it in a link in. But it's a really cool little light. Like I said, it's a pocket light. It's RGB, this one. They sell non-RGB, but that means it color shifts.
Red, green, blue.
Red, green, blue. It also can go from like tungsten to white light. So
orange to blue.
Yeah, so you can get better color balance on you, right? Super bright, great battery. I don't want to turn it on camera because I feel like it's going to blind.
Do it.
But it's one of those things, like, as you can see on Bryan's face, right? Like, it's on his face, off.
Very bright.
It's very bright, but it just gives that little extra kick. This one actually has like scenes built into it too, so you can make it look like cop lights or lightning. Or all this other stuff. I don't know why you would need that, but you have the option. Also, another cool thing, it's magnetic.
That's what I was looking for. That's my favorite thing about this whole light.
I use it during twilights. So, like, once I'm packing up and stuff, I keep it in my bag and I hold it. Or if I'm in my car, I just pop it on my car so I can get something quickly out. But little pocket light also can be screwed onto a little tripod or something for, like I said, if you're just doing a little video.
How much is that?
When I bought this, I think it was $127 on Amazon.
Cool.
And it comes with like a little carrying case, charging cable. It also comes with a grid, which helps like focus your light more. And then also comes with like a little softbox that so it's not so harsh light.
Cool.
So it's cool, a little worth it. But that's my widget. That's your widget. And I think that does it for this episode of the Whissel Way podcast. I'm going to say it. But if you liked this episode, go ahead and smash that like button. If you didn't like that video, then you can hit that button too.
No, you can't. That button's broken.
Yeah, but also, if you are listening to this on iTunes or whatever podcast getting device you have, I would ask, please give us a rating and leave us a comment. We are always trying to improve here at the Whissel Realty Group, and especially on this podcast. So leave us a comment, tell us how we're doing, and if there's something that you want to hear about.
Also, thewhisselway.com is where we have all of our stuff. Our Facebook page, Facebook group, our YouTube channel, the podcast, and events or information about upcoming events.
Cool. Thank you again for listening to the Whissel Way podcast, and we'll see you guys next time.
Later.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.